Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a C by GE indoor smart plug. In case you're having any issues with the plug not responding or not working right, or it's frozen in the app, or any kind of troubleshooting issues like this can very often be fixed by a hard reset. Now, if you do this, you are going to need to reset all the parameters and everything like that and repair it. But if you're ready to do that, we can go ahead and start. So all you need to do is you're going to come in and you're going to press and hold the power button. You're just going to press and hold it. And if you hold it for greater than 10 seconds, you just continue to hold it until the LED indicator light turns red. Once it turns red, you can let go. And that means that the plug has been reset itself. So then you can just open up your app and everything like that. You can repair it, and then you can reset all of the parameters that you want with the plug as if you were setting up a new plug. Thanks a lot for watching.